Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a theme in the AppLock application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your screen, and there you will find the third option, which is the themes. Press on it, and here kind of in the middle of your screen you can see the custom themes section. Now if you press on it, you will see here your themes. In my case, I haven't created any themes yet, so my only option is to create one. You can see down below the create custom theme option. Press on it and you can choose between three types. You can have a pattern, a pin, or a knock code. Now it all depends on your taste with which one you will select. So far I had the pin by default selected, and now I would want, for example, the pattern. I just press next down below, and I can select here the pattern background, for example color, the dot color, and finally the line color. And you can see this is how it will look like once everything is done. And now you can just press the save option at the top of your right corner, and an ad will appear, because unless you pay the premium, unfortunately it's impossible to not get ads. But once that is done, you will see in this page that your theme was created. So yeah, this is pretty much all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.